Matt Day here with Parsons Graham and Day. I want to take a second. I'm going to make a longer video about this when I have a little bit more time. But the Crumbleys, the parents of the school shooter up in Michigan, were sentenced this past week. 10 to 15 years, each of them, on the manslaughter charge, right? And so I want to take a second to talk about that. So 15 years, I think, was the maximum sentence under Michigan law, right? And again, they were charged as a third-party liability for a crime, all right? And the thing I want to talk about is they had appealed the decision to bind them over for trial, and I don't want to get too far into the weeds and what that means, but about a year ago, they appealed that decision, saying that they were not the cause or proximate cause of the deaths of the 4 children at the school. You know, they were obviously not there themselves doing that. So they weren't the direct cause, right, the actual cause, but were they the proximate cause or the legal cause? And that was the question that the appellate court took up. Now, a proximate cause is a cause that is within the chain of causes and is reasonably foreseen that the outcome is going to happen, right? So because of X, we can foresee that Z is going to happen, right? Y may happen, but Y is foreseeable. We still get to Z, okay? Typically, though, and this I'm going to go into greater detail about this later, typically, illegal conduct is a superseding intervening cause. It's not reasonable for you to foresee that someone's going to break the law. That's normally the rule. But the Michigan Appellate Court said that they were the proximate cause, that it was foreseeable that he was going to break the law, that their kid was going to break the law, okay? And therefore they could stand trial for the manslaughter charge, which they did. They were found guilty, and they've now been sentenced 10 to 15 years in Michigan. I anticipate that that's going to be appealed, but right now, that's where they are. They've been sentenced 10 to 15 years each. The purpose of this video is to be informative and not to provide legal advice. For legal advice, call a law firm and speak to an attorney about your particular case. None of the information provided in here is meant to establish the attorney-client relationship between Parsons Graham and Day and anyone watching this video.